By the end of this video, you will know how to add a bank account in Xero. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you are signed in, you will be on the main dashboard where you can access the menus needed for account setup. If your dashboard takes a moment to load, wait until the navigation is fully visible before moving to the next step. From the top menu, go to Accounting, then select Bank Accounts. This opens the section where Xero stores the bank accounts connected to your organization. If you already have other accounts listed here, you will see them on this page. If this is a newer file, the page may have fewer items, but the process is the same either way. Next, click Add Bank Account. This starts the setup flow for creating a new bank account inside Xero. You will be taken to a screen where you can search for your bank or financial institution. In the search field, enter the name of your bank or financial institution, then select the correct result from the list. Take a moment here to choose the right institution before continuing, especially if the search returns several similar names. Selecting the correct option helps make sure the account is added under the right bank profile. After selecting the bank, click Add Account Details. This takes you to the page where you will enter the information for the new bank account. You will see fields for the bank name, account type, and currency. Enter your bank name as you want it recorded in Xero. Then enter the account name. This is the label that will appear in your bank account section, so use a name that helps you recognize the account later. Next, choose the account type from the available options. Make sure the type matches the kind of account you are adding. After that, select the currency for the account. This should match the actual currency used by the bank account. Once all of those fields are filled in, click Add. Xero will save the account and return you to the bank account section. If the page refreshes for a moment, wait for it to finish loading so you can confirm the result. You should now see the new bank account listed in the bank accounts section along with any other accounts already in the file. This confirms that the account has been added successfully and is now part of your Xero organization. Your new bank account now appears in the bank account section in Xero.